Hey guys, what is up? RedPandaMining here. Oh, sorry. Back with another video. Guys, I'm pretty sick today, under the weather, but that's not gonna hinder me from making a video for you guys. Alright, so my plan for today is to put this RX 570 rig back together because I had to clean these cards out because they were mining for about a year and a half without any cleaning or anything. So yeah, but now I'm gonna rebuild it all together. I'm gonna put new risers on them. I was running these 006C or 7 risers, but now I'm gonna put new U-bit risers, the latest ones from Amazon. Really good risers. Link in the description if you guys need to see them. And yeah, after that we're gonna BIOS mod them and see if we can get better wattage and see what hash rates we get on some coins that we can mine today. All right, let's get started. So I'm gonna time lapse it all. Let's go, guys. Whoa, alright guys, so I got it all plugged in, minus the PCIe to whatever these are called, the USB part. Let me take it out here. I haven't plugged these in yet because I'm gonna BIOS mod them one by one. But I got all the power plugged in, PCIe power. And then I got each of the U-bit risers has the Molex, the 4-pin Molex plugged into them. Each one, except for this 5th one here, I'm using the 6-pin PCIe into it because I got 2 power supplies here. This RM850X only came with one Molex 4-pin connector. So I took another cable from another RX. I had a spare one, RX 850, and so now I have 2 Molex cables that are running on 4 of the cards here for 4 of the PCIe risers. And then the other power supply here, I have it's a 450 watt or 500 watt Corsair something, and I have the Molex going into one card, and then the PCIe 6-pin going into this riser. Alright guys, so let's BIOS mod them. Okay guys, so I got the card in, just one of the cards plugged in right now, and I've gone ahead already and BIOS modded the RX 570. This one specifically has Alpida RAM. So I've done a lot of testing already. I've done 950 volts, 900, and I think I got the best one for me so far for this card, the Asus Strix card. As for the straps, you guys know it's the similar copy of the 1500 and put it to the rest of them. I've done all that. I've got the GPU frequency at 1150 and memory at 2000. Next, I got the GPU voltage at 900. And then power tune everything, TDPs at 120 watts. And I saved that, and then I went to the ATI flash underscore 2.84. This you guys can download on Tech Power Up. Load image, you load the BIOS, program it, and then you have to restart. Okay, so I'll show you the hash rates that I'm getting. So, and the wattage. So base wattage right now is about 100, 110, 105-ish watts right now. Okay, so we're going to be using Phoenix Miner, and we're going to be mining Ethereum. So with this BIOS, I'm getting around 100 watts usage ish on this card. Plus the, I guess the riser takes about 15-20 watts, I guess. So yeah, so this hash rate's not at the right one yet. It's going to take another minute or so until it gets to the 27-28 mega hash. So you can see here in the GPU-Z, it's reporting about 85 watts usage power draw for the GPU. And so the riser should be pulling in another 15 watts or so. And now, as you can see, the GPUs are just auto-tuning for Phoenix Miner. It's at 27.5 mega hash. Right now, it should be going up to 28 or 27.9 or so. I got that running for the past 8 minutes. It's found 3 shares, and the mega hash is around 27.8 to 28.1. So, yeah, that's what I like. That's what I wanted at right now because of the wattage. The BIOS mod I had on it before was taking about 140, 150 watts per card. But now it's at, yeah, like with the riser itself, about 100 watts. So that's pretty good. I'm saving a lot more electricity. All right, so I'm gonna BIOS mod the other cards, and we'll get the other cards, all 6 of them, working, and I'll show you guys what the hash rate and electricity usage is on the whole rig. All right, guys, I got all 6 cards mining right now, mining Ethereum. I'm kind of confused regarding the wattage that's happening right now. It's like fluctuating from 800 to 900. My hash rates are going from 168 to 180. So after I plugged in all the cards, after I did all the BIOS mods one by one, and then I plugged in all the cards, did the ATI pixel patcher thing, and then I've been running Phoenix Miner here for about 5 minutes now. It's kind of fluctuating. I'm finding shares. I haven't found any rejected yet, so it's been going, but 894 watts. 800 to 900 watts. It's been fluctuating between there. So as I was saying before, I was getting around 80 watts at the GPU draw, and that was just on one card. But when I plugged in all the cards, then the electrical went up about another 200 watts. I was supposed to have 100 watts per card, so I was actually supposed to be at around 700 watts, but now it's at 900 watts, 800 to 900 watts. So that's kind of strange. I have a feeling it's because when I plugged it all in, all the GPUs are utilizing more. The risers and the GPUs together are utilizing more electricity, more power, so that's why. But let's do a test here. I'm gonna do nice hash. We're gonna try the kryptonite heavy algorithm. We can just see what hash rate and wattage we get on that. So I think I have to disable the Dagger Hashimoto. Yeah, let's disable that. Okay, and hit start, and we can see what kind of hashes we get with mining Monero. So mining kryptonite, as we can see, 3.6 kilohash, about $1.01 USD a day at 600 watts. So if we go to what to mine, sorry about that, I'm still sick, guys. If we go to what to mine, type in 6 here, 570s. So kryptonite heavy, we are getting, oh, hash rate's getting lower. Oh yeah, 3600. So 3600, and we're doing about 600 watts. ETH hash, I was getting about 178 at about 800, I'm gonna say 860 watts. Calculate, and as you can see, oh, I forgot to change the cost per kilowatt. I'm at 0.06 at the moment, 8 cents Canadian. Okay, so ETH hash. So if we're mining Ethereum, we're getting about, after electricity costs, 59 cents a day. If we were mining kryptonite heavy, wow, it's way down here. Kryptonite heavy on nice hash, 9 cents a day. All right, well, I'm not gonna do that. So, but yeah, we're gonna be mining Ethereum on this rig most likely, or Ethereum Classic. Ethereum Classic, and then about 0.46 Ethereum Classic a day. That's not bad. All right, guys. Well, I hope that that shows you guys what I was planning to do with this rig today. I think I was getting worse efficiency before, but as I've been reading online that these Asus Strix 570 cards are pretty finicky, and the Sapphire Nitros are like the best to mine with. So yeah, just keeping in mind, yeah, these Asus Strix cards are kind of finicky for me, trying to BIOS mod them and all that kind of stuff. Okay, so as you can see, as I was starting up Phoenix Miner, it started off at like 700 watts, but now it's going up slowly, 820, 837, 855. But my hash rate is also very wonky, 146. Okay, now it's at 170 mega hash at 880 watts. Phoenix Miner is still auto tuning, so it'll take a while for it to average out, I guess. But yeah, just to give you guys an update what I was working on today. Let me know what you guys think. If you guys have these cards yourselves, let me know. 4 of the cards I had were Alpida RAM, and then 2 of them were Hynix. So if you guys have any suggestions or BIOS mods I can try out, let me know. I'll credit you, and we'll go from there. All right, guys, thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. Please like and subscribe, all that good stuff. See ya.